Happy World Ukulele Day, everyone. How's the weather in your part of the world? In Vermont right now, it's 5 degrees. Oh my God. I wanted to sing a song to celebrate the day. This is called Ukulele in a Snowstorm by the Grammy-winning Okie Dokie Brothers. If you want to learn this song, I'll make a tutorial for you. Leave a comment down below and let me know. I'll make the next video to teach you this fun song. Let's do this before my fingers freeze. Doom 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 boom 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 doom dum dum bum bum doo 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 dum 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 dum. Blizzard blowing round, 5 feet on the ground, but your strings transform cold into warm. Weather makes me sad. I ought to sing out that I'm glad I got a ukulele in a snowstorm. Now I'm singing to the shoreline, strumming to that sunshine, 'cause your chords transport without even needing an airport. On a day that's cloudy, you can fly me right to Maui. I got a ukulele in a snowstorm. If I'm feeling wacky, if I'm feeling like a kook, I just pick you up because there's nothing like a uke to make me feel like I'm swaying. The breeze where I'm laying, oh, the joy it brings. With just 4 strings and darkness makes me sad. I ought to sing out that I'm glad I got a ukulele in a snowstorm. Palm trees are gently waving. My heart is aching because I love you. Moonlight shining so brightly, I travel nightly, lonesome and blue. When the weather makes me sad, I ought to sing out that I'm glad I got a ukulele in a snowstorm. Yeah, it's a ukulele in a snowstorm. A doo 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 doo, a boom boom boom, a boom 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 boom, a boom 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 boom, a boom 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 boom, boom bum bum bum, oh boom bum bum. Did it. I would happily teach you this song. Let me know in a comment down below. Hope you are staying toasty, warm, and happy and making music. My name is Stu. This is Ukulele Zen. Thanks for watching. Please spread this video around to your friends. Wishing you a wonderful, warm day.